Hey everybody, Tira Crawford with TaylorMade Deep Creek Vacations and Sales, coming to you from my favorite Deep Creek Lake neighborhood. I'm kind of partial to Sky Valley. I am just letting you know that tomorrow I'm going to be hosting a live look-in on my Facebook page of this gorgeous little cabin behind me that's on the corner of Woodland Way and Sky Valley Drive. It'll be tomorrow morning on my Tira Crawford Real Estate Professional Facebook page, and I'll be sharing it on the Discover Deep Creek page, as well as the Deep Creek Lake Homes for Sale page. So please stay tuned, check it out. I'm gonna be posting the video in a few other places after it's done, but I would love for you all to join me on a little tour of this gorgeous cabin in Sky Valley. Lake access, new finishes. It's so cute. You guys are going to love it. Stay tuned.